Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and helps mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. So we'll start there with doing some updates. First thing, little house cleaning, going to get rid of that green line there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about right around the 74-cent level as resistance, but now that the price is above there, this would be considered an area of support. The ideal level of support, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 83 cents, which it did a good job of earlier this morning, that would be best case scenario. But if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that. But as far as what would make the chart look most powerful, 83 cents would definitely be that level. Again, then you have the level at 74 cents. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to move its way upwards. And again, from more so a bigger picture perspective and as a very simplistic way to look at the chart, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upward move is going to continue, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? So let's map out a couple of these. Next key one, I think, has quite a bit of price history around. Yeah, right here at about 95 cents. If you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see 95 cents acted pretty stubbornly. And then today the price got right up around that area and could not maintain itself. So not saying that 94, 95 can't be broken. I'm just saying that it makes sense why the price did indeed struggle up around that area. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. No doubt about it, though. Very nice move the past couple days. So let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.